What's up, you guys? Welcome to another day of 31 Days of Halloween. Today's makeup look is of Oswald Copperpot, also known as the Penguin from Batman. This is going to follow the traditional makeup from V. Neil's Batman Forever. So if you have not seen that movie, have you been living under a rock or what? But anyway, this includes a prosthetic that I have built with gelatin. It was a very easy process. If you guys are more interested on how I build my prosthetics, let me know. But alas, I have glued it onto my face and painted myself completely white. Now keep in mind, we're not going to stay completely white. We are going to blend it in with just a flavor of foundation later on. But before we do that, we are going to paint our eyes this deep red mauve color. I'm just following the reference picture from the Danny DeVito character, and he has very dark maroon looking eyes. So place that as necessary. You can set it with an eyeshadow as well. But once the eyes are completely colored, we're going to be using foundation and mixing it with the skin tone that we've already placed on. So it still keeps us very, very pale and having that Tim Burton feel to it, but we still don't want to be a ghost. We want to have some sort of skin tone to us. Alright, now for all of the shapes of the face, like the nasolabial folds and also the forehead lines, I'm using the same maroon color as we did on the eyes. This keeps everything very symmetrical and even, and it's basically just putting the lines in and blending them outwards. As you can see, I've put contour on the nose, I've put it on my eyebrows, and that's about it, you guys. I've put in some Pennywise teeth. I've put on this wig, which is really disgusting and nappy. But it doesn't matter, because we're putting on a hat right on top of it. So, spraying a bit of white into the hair to give us that grimy, gross sewer feel. And then, to stuff my jacket, as I'm obviously not 300 pounds, I use a towel underneath this pea coat to make me look bigger than I actually am. Then place your top hat on top, put in your monocle, grab a cigar, and, oh yeah, the penguin gloves. I just used black leather gloves and then used electrical tape and taped around 3 of my fingers to give me these penguin hands. And you're done, you guys. Thanks for watching another day of 31 Days of Halloween, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.